back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5-minute heatless hairstyles that are super quick, and these are my go-to hairstyles that I do on a daily basis. Anytime I have to go somewhere, I do one of these hairstyles and they're amazing. They literally take 5 minutes or less and super quick, and they turn out really cute every single time. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for this first hairstyle, you're gonna need some little rubber bands and a clip, and that's it. You're gonna start off by taking a section of your hair and then you want to divide it into 3 sections. You want to put one of your ponytail holders on this middle section. And then taking these 2 side pieces, you're just going to pull them up and put a ponytail on both of them together. So split the bottom section in half, then bring it on top, and then tie it together. Okay, now that you have your hair all in these sections, you're going to pull each individual piece up and out, and it's just going to give some volume. Once you pulled everything out, it should look like this, and then all you gotta do is take your clip and clip it to the back. For this next hairstyle, all you're gonna need is a clip. So you want to start off by sectioning off this top section. Then you want to flip it up and twist it, and then just clip it right here underneath. Throw this top part back over. For this next hairstyle, all you're going to need is a ponytail holder and a claw clip. And this is my claw clip hack because I have long, thick hair, and so my hair has never been able to fit into claw clip, so this is what I do to help fix that. Gathering all of your hair into a low ponytail. Now, you want to pull the ponytail just down a little bit and make a hole in the middle and flip your hair through. Now take your hair and you want to twist it, then take your claw clip and clip it onto the hair. Put this top part back over and fan it out, and you're done. Hairstyle, I'm going to show you guys my way of doing a messy bun. This is the only messy bun that holds my hair up, and it looks the best and it works every single time. So let me show you how. You want to start off by gathering all of your hair and bringing it up to the top of your head. Okay, now you want to grab your ponytail. Bring your hair through the ponytail, twist it, and then just pull your hair halfway through. Grab the remainder of your hair and just twist it around. And then tuck it into the loop right there of the rest of the ponytail. You just want to fan that out and just leave these pieces hanging out. And that's how you do it. Okay, so this last hairstyle is my favorite. I do this one every single day. This is my favorite way to do a low messy bun, and it lasts all day. All day. It is the best way to do it. If you've seen me, you've definitely seen me with this hairstyle on, but it's my favorite, y'all. It's super simple and it takes like 2 minutes. So you're gonna start off by grabbing all of your hair, and I like to put mine on the side. And you are going to kind of do the same thing. You're just going to pull your hair through, pull it halfway through, twist it around, and then tuck it in to this last part. You just leave those little pieces out, fan out everything. Pull these front pieces out and you're done. That is the easiest way to do a low bun for me, and it's just going to last forever. It's literally my favorite way to do my bun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!